Good Wednesday afternoon, everyone. Quick weather update for you on what's turned out to be a pretty beautiful day and easily the nicest day of the next 5. So hopefully you can take advantage of it before sunset this evening. Beautiful sky over Niles. We have just a few fair weather clouds around. And we have a few fair weather cumulus clouds over Columbiana, the traffic circle, with our Window World weather camera. So a beautiful day, and while it's not quite as warm as the last couple of days, it's still above average. We should be close to 60, but we're about 10 better than that across the board this afternoon. It's also less humid than it's been. It's actually been kind of muggy lately. Dew points dropped out of the mid-60s this morning and into the mid-50s this afternoon, so it's very, very comfortable outside. But raindrops are coming back. We have a wave of low pressure out here across the Mississippi Valley, producing the threat for severe weather in parts of Missouri. Not expecting severe weather around here, but we will see some rain coming in as we go through the overnight. Here's our high-res futurecast showing us what the radar should look like overnight. The rain pushing in from the south and west during the overnight hours, probably 1 to 2 a.m. on average, and then it's going to rain for a good chunk of the overnight and probably right through at least mid-morning tomorrow. May get a little break around lunchtime tomorrow before the rain pushes back in later in the day. And between now and Friday, a pretty good accumulation of rain across the region, advertised by our modeling here with an average of roughly 2 inches. So we could use a little wet weather. It's been pretty dry in October, but this is maybe too much of a good thing for some people's tastes. It's certainly going to accelerate the leaf drop across the region with the rain and some wind as well. And it's going to be a chilly, raw start to the weekend. Details on the rain and the threat for some thunder tomorrow and the weekend forecast and next week's forecast and the longer range forecast, all that coming up this evening on my in-depth weather video, Weather for Weather Geeks. And I'll see you on TV tonight, 21 News at 6 and 11. Have a great rest of this Wednesday.